My name is India. I belongs to Asia continent.
I am Assam. I am Arunachal Pradesh.
My name is Andhra Pradesh and Bihar.
I am Chhattisgarh. I am Gujarat.
I am Goa. I am Haryana. I am Himachal Pradesh.
I am Jharkhand. I am Karnataka.
I am Karnataka. I am Andhra Pradesh.
I am Maharashtra. I am Manipur. I am Nagaland. I am Odisha. I am Punjab. I am Rajasthan.
I am Sikkim.
I am Tamil Nadu. I am Telangana.
Andhra Pradesh.